Om Sri Sai Ram. Hearty welcome to Sri Sathya Seva Gurukulam free online classes. A very interesting topic in statistics called data handling. You know what is handling? You have got cycle handle you have seen, and iron box handle you have seen. Is it not? So many things have got handles. Here it is data handling. What do you mean data? The collection of informations. The marks scored in different subjects in a test or exam, that is called data. And there will be marks. Kannada 80, English 85, Maths 95, Hindi 80, Science say 95, Social Science say 98. So these are all called data. Is it not? They are called scores. So collection of that data, collection of that scores is called as data. Raw data means taking that information. It may be runs scored in a cricket match. It may be the bowling average. All those things, they are called examples of the data. And you have seen in the previous class about picture graph. By looking at the picture, you can make out, you can get some information. Similarly, you have seen about bar graphs. In bar graph, there will be rectangular boxes showing the information. For example, population increase, or if it is election results, different teams getting or different parties getting different votes. Is it not? And it may be results of the school, bowling average, batting average, all this. They all can be shown by the help of bar graph. And also you have seen definition of statistics. What is statistics? It's a branch of mathematics which deals with collection of data, presentation of the data, interpretation of the data, analyzing of the data and interpretation of the data. So it's a very interesting branch. Okay. Of course, here we are dealing with the numbers. And it has got a lot of applications. It may be in the health side, it may be in the sports side, it may be academics, it may be in heavy weather conditions. Is it not? All this field. Nowadays, each and every aspect of human personality, there is statistics. It tells about so many things. And before you come to today's topic, we will see answers for the home assignment. Draw the bar graph to represent the given information. So here is the information. What is that? Number of watches sold. How many have got watches? Come on, show your watches. You don't have? Okay, don't worry. You can buy it later. When you go to job, you can buy your own. This is the watch given by Baba. That's why Baba photo is there. Can you see it? So what do you mean you watch? Baba says, watch your words, actions, thoughts, character, heart. WATCH. So here is a problem about selling of watches. In the month of July, 1000 watches are sold. In the month of August, 1500, September 1500, October 2000, November 2500, December 1500. That information had to be shown in the form of what is called as bar graph. How to do it? See, in bar diagram, you have to draw two axes. These are called axes. One is called x-axis. This point O is called origin. This horizontal line, this is called x-axis. This vertical line is called y-axis. And should be done with all these graphs should be done with the pencil and scale only. Okay. And so starting from O, you have to mark. See here, number of watches sold have to be marked in y-axis. How to do it? And months should be done in x-axis. Okay. So what are the months here? It starts from July up to December. So July, for every centimeter, 1 month. First centimeter is July, August, September, October, November, December. So how to do it? For every centimeter you mark that. For that you must write what is called scale. Scale means for 1 month 1 centimeter in the x-axis. In the y-axis, for 1 centimeter you have 1 centimeter you have 500. So 1 centimeter you have 500 watches. That is y-axis. For in x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 month. That is x-axis. That is what is called as scale. Okay. Can you do it? Come on. Start doing it. Take your pencil and scale. Mark it. Okay. Then in the month of July, it is 1000. So where the 1000 comes, you must draw a line here. Like this, dotted lines. So, and here very important is breadth of the, this is called bar graph, should be same. And distance between two should also be same. So this distance should be same here. And August is 1500. So in the length of August it is 1500. And in the month of September again 1500. Same. So you can draw with the dotted lines. So see that the distance is maintained properly. And this centimeter should come in the middle of this. In October, it is 2000. So for the line of 2000, you must draw a rough line. I am drawing roughly. And in the month of December, it is 1500. November, the month of November, 2500. So this is the line. And lastly, in the month of December, it is 1500. Learn? That's how you are drawing. Done it? So nice, no? You can shade it also. A pencil shade or some other shade you can do. You can draw lines, designs also you can do like this. Like this also you can do. But same shading should be given to all. That is important. Done it? So it is a 2 marks question. You have to answer in 5 minutes. Now coming to topics for today. So what we have done in the previous class about bar graph, of course you have studied in the previous class also, but some of you might not have understood correctly. That's why again we are taking one more problem. 200 students of 6th and 7th What is your class? 8th, correct? So, we are asked to name their favorite colors so as to decide upon what should be the color of their school building. So, they have got a school building and the students, both boys and girls, were asked to tell the colors for the building. Very nice project, right? Understanding what I am telling? Correct. So, the results are showing the following table. Represent given data on a bar graph. So, 43 students say red color and 19 students say green, 55 students say blue, 49 students say yellow and 34 students say orange. So, that should be drawn in a bar diagram. So, once again the figures are taken and you have to draw the two axes. One is called x-axis and O is the origin for every centimeter and number of students on the y-axis and colors on the x-axis. And you have to write for every centimeter one color. So, red, green, blue, this is blue, yellow, orange, and here for every centimeter 10, 20 like that. So, scale you can write, only you can write x-axis, y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 20 students, number of students. That is in y-axis. On x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 color. So, now let us represent. You drawn the figure, but use only pencil and scale, okay? And this is half. 1 centimeter is half centimeter, 0.5, 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, 4.5, 5.5. Because there are no small numericals, that is why. So, first one is 43. Red color was preferred by 43 students. So, for 43 draw a line. Okay. So, 43 lies in between 40 and 45. So, draw a rough line before doing it. Then 19 students told green. 19 is below 20. Correct? So, this is red color. You can give color also, that also possible. This should be given red color, this is green color. How many blue? Blue maximum 55. 55, that is blue color. Then yellow color 49. 49 is less than 50. And then orange color 34. So 35 is here, slightly less than 1%. So this all the figure. So by knowing this, we can make out, is it not? So blue color is liked by maximum students 55 and least is green color. So only 19 students preferred green color. So like that you can make out so many things in this figure. Is it nice? Drawn it? Very good. Now one more we will see, that is called double bar graph. Double, what do you call if there are three things, triple or triple, You might have heard about triple jump. 1, 2, 3. Correct? So here is one double bar graph. Means there are two teams of 2. What does it show? Is a bar graph showing 2 sets of data simultaneously. So this this represents 2005-6 plane 1, and this colored one 2006-7. So like that. It is called double graph. He can compare now. So in this stands for mathematics subject in the 2 years. This is social science in 2 years, science in 2 years, English in 2 years, Hindi in 2 years. And how do you draw that? As usual, take a scale. Here scale is what is this? Marks obtained by a student. So 1 centimeter means 10 marks. That is in y-axis. Correct? So like that you mark it out. Now you have to answer some questions on this. Noted the figure? Yeah. Now questions are like this. First question, what is the information given by the double bar graph? The information is about the marks obtained by a student in different subjects in the 2 years, 2005-6. This is the marks. 6 and 7, this is the marks. Okay, that is that information given. Second question, they are asking, which subject has the performance improved the most? Most improvement. Which subject? Maths. So comparing the two in all this, there is a lot of improvement in maths. So answer for this is maths. Lot of improvement from 2005-6 to 2006 and 7. For this 1 year, lot of improvement is there in mathematics. Third question, in which subject has the performance deteriorated? Means come down. So deteriorated happened in English. In which English subject the marks has come down from 2005. So you can write 2006 here, exam is in 6, this is 7. So there is a decrease in the marks. So that is the answer for that question. Which subject is the performance at par? At par means same. For in which subject? Hindi. So answer for the fourth question is Hindi. In Hindi, we see that in both the years, the marks remain the same. So here, what does the information is given? It is about the marks scored in 2 years, and these are the subjects. Okay, so that is the information, you get it. Noted down. Okay, now we will see home assignment. First question. A mathematics teacher wants to see whether the new technique of teaching he applied after the quarterly test was effective or not. He takes the scores of 5 weakest children in the quarterly test. So 5 students are taken and the marks are entered. Quarterly, Ashish scored 10, half yearly 15. Arun scored 15 of quarterly, 18 in the half yearly. Kavish scored 12 in the quarterly, 16 in the half yearly. Maya scored 20 in the quarterly, 21 in the half yearly. Rita scored 9 in the quarterly and 15 in the half yearly out of 25. So, what is the question? Draw the double graph and analyze the result. So, analysis you must make. Okay, that is a home assignment, and we will see what Sadguru Sri Madhusudan Sai says. So, this is a beautiful photo of Sadguru. God takes a human form and descends among men to share his bountiful love and compassion with the devotees. So, that is what said in Bhagavad Gita, Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata abhyutthanam adharmasya tadatmanam srijamyaham. So, God descends down like an aeroplane which has come down in the air forces. Na? Otherwise, the passengers cannot go up to other places. So, like that, God comes down. In the same time, in return, receive their love and reverence. Devotees also. So, God's grace and love is like a plus. Devotees also show their love and reverence to the avatar. So, avatara means descending down, coming down. Okay. So, let us try to practice that. So, come prepared for the answers to the home assignment. Thank you.